Come on, follow to my room. Let me show you what to do. Come on, follow to my room. Let me show you what to do. Come on, follow to my room. Let me show you what to do. Come on, follow to my room.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my crochet locks very long. But before I do that, I'm just going to quickly show you guys the method that I used to insert them into my hair. So as you can already see, I'm going to be using the single crochet method. So first you braid your natural hair underneath. So any braid, some people twist it, but I decided to braid it because it makes it a little bit more neat for me since my hair is like super kinky. So I decided to braid instead of doing like a twist. So you braid all of your hair first. Well, you can actually like insert the locks as you go, but I decided to braid my whole head first before I started to insert the crochet locks. So this was free parting. I didn't really use a specific pattern. I just parted how I thought it would look good. So this is the hair that I'm using. It's from Janet Collection. It is their Maverick locks, and it is light brown and also 24 inches. So when I initially inserted the locks into my hair, they were 24 inches. So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys how I inserted the locks. So first, you're just gonna insert your crochet hook into your natural hair, like at the root, and then you're gonna attach the lock and then close the crochet hook and then pull out. And then you're gonna take your natural hair, insert it onto the hook, and then pull it out into the lock that you have already inserted. So just like that, and then you want to tighten it. That way, this method doesn't create that huge knot that you usually get when you do a crochet. So then you're gonna go ahead and insert your crochet hook into the lock. So you're just gonna insert it like inside it and keep going until you get back to the root. And when you get to the root, you're gonna take your natural hair, insert it into the crochet, and then close it. Make sure that it is closed. So insert it into the crochet like that, and then close it, and then pull it out. Make sure that it is closed, because if it's not closed, it's gonna get stuck into the lock and you won't be able to pull it out. So make sure that your hook is closed before you pull out your natural hair. And once you pull out your natural hair, it will like disappear into the lock. So basically, insert the crochet hook into the lock all the way to the root, attach your natural hair, close the crochet hook, and then pull it out. So yeah, that's it for insertion. And then this is how long it was when I initially finished inserting the locks, but I wanted to be this length right here. And now I'm going to show you guys how I achieved that length. Okay, so this is where the main purpose of the video is. So you're going to insert the crochet hook onto another strand of the lock. So you're gonna take another crochet lock, and then you're gonna take a strand that's already inserted into your hair, and you're gonna attach it to the hook and pull it out. And that way the new attached strand is like inside. Well, the strand that is already in your hair is like inside the new crochet lock. And then now you're just gonna wrap the shorter one onto the long one. So you're gonna wrap it. Try not to twist. That way it looks like an actual thread. Because like the hair already looks like passion twist. Like it looks like some type of twist already. So you're just gonna want to wrap instead of twisting. Okay, so go ahead and keep unwrapping the hair. And once you're almost all the way to the bottom, you're gonna want to wrap up instead of continuing down. You're gonna wrap upwards. Yeah, so you're just gonna wrap upwards instead of continuing down. And once you have like a little strand left, you're gonna take Gorilla Glue. So this is for the first method. So for those of you guys who like to make sure your hair is secured and nothing's gonna happen to it, you're gonna want to use Gorilla Glue. At the little strip at the end, you're gonna apply the Gorilla Glue, and then you're gonna wrap that strand that has glue around the lock. That way it gets like glued together basically. So this is for the people who just like don't want to risk it. You don't want to risk the lock coming off. Use glue, anything that's gonna hold it. But for those of you guys who don't like a mess, so for those of you guys who don't like dealing with glue, you don't like it getting messy, this next method is for you. So you're gonna do the same thing as before, insert the crochet hook onto a new lock, and then attach the lock on your head that's already in your hair. Pull it out, and then like before again, just wrap the shorter one. So the shorter lock is the one that you're gonna wrap around the new long lock. So like again, don't try not to twist. So once you get to the bottom again, make sure that you are wrapping upwards towards the end. And then this method is for those of you guys who don't like a mess. You're just gonna simply make a knot. So knot the end. Yeah, you can knot it once or twice. I decided to knot it twice, just to make sure that it is secured. Once you have knotted it, you're gonna take that extra small strand and then just like hide it into the thread with the crochet. So yeah, that's basically it for the second method, and that is all, guys. So I'm officially done, and look how long this is. Like, it is so long. It's like all the way to my like knees. It's super long. This is probably like the longest style I've ever had, like ever. But it looks so good. It's kind of heavy, I'm not gonna lie. It is kind of heavy, but I wanted long, so here we go. So this is how it looks, like the final parting. Hey guys, so this is the final look. Let me get up and show you guys how long it is. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get on my couch again. Oh my gosh, it's so long. It's literally so long, like, boy. But yeah, like I said before, this hair is like, it looks more like passion twists than like dreads. But yeah, big shout out to Janet Collection for sending me this hair. If you guys like the hair, you would like to purchase, the link will be down below in the description. So yeah, this is the hair, and it is called Maverick Locks, and I did get the 24 inches, but as you guys saw, I did make it longer. So yeah, shout out to Janet Hair Collection for sending me this hair. So you guys make sure that you go and purchase the hair. As you can see, it's really nice. Like I said before, it looks more like passion twists or some type of twists than locks, but hey, it does the job, and I think it looks really good. You guys let me know in the comments which method you liked better, whether you liked the the glue method, which I really didn't like that much, or just like the knot method. So I ended up doing the knot method on all of the locks because I don't know, it just like worked better for me, and it was less messy. So I just ended up doing the lock method, like the knot method. So you guys let me know which method you guys like the most. The glue one, it was just too messy, like it was making a big mess, so I ended up doing this one. So yeah, you guys let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Oh my gosh, it's so long. Like, this is insane. This is probably the longest hairstyle I've ever had. But yeah, you guys let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know if you like the style, and yeah, just make sure that you check out Janet Collection and their website down below. It is www.janetcollection.com. So yeah, and then look up this hair. If you like this hair, look up this hair. It is the Maverick Locks. So yes, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me give you guys a final look on how they came out. So yeah, I did do the free parting, so it came out really nice. It came out really nice. Yep, so that will be it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and if you liked it, make sure that you share it and comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys and have a good day. Mwah. Love you.